Can 2022 Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers cause problem? The 2022 Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers are a kind of safe and reliable wheel accessory. As long as you install them correctly, they will not cause any problems. They are effective when your wheel offset is not ideal for the final effect that you want. Most of the larger brake kits require proper space to avoid rubbing, which means installing with the OEM setup can be tricky. Then the 2022 Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers provide as much interior room as you need to make them work well. Hub-Centric spacers are designed to help wheels stay centered on the vehicle. Most original required wheels are Hub-Centric. The center hole of these wheels is perfectly fitting the wheel hub assembly. Hub-Centric wheels can be properly mounted and accurately balanced, but most aftermarket wheels are actually lux-centric, which means the center hole will be made larger to fit over a variety of different vehicles. Lux can be bent under force and provoke vibration if you keep the wheels unbalanced for a long time. For this reason, we recommend the use of Hub-Centric spacers or Hub-Centric rings. If you want to get the bonus wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.